Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to stop syncing shortcuts with iCloud on Mac. Although syncing shortcuts with iCloud is convenient, there may be situations where you don't want your shortcuts to stay the same across all your Apple devices. For example, you may want different shortcuts on your Mac and different on your iPhone or iPad. Then simply stop syncing shortcuts with iCloud on Mac is definitely a good idea. And to disable it, first click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down all the way and then go to iCloud. Now here click on the See All button right to save it to iCloud and scroll and find Shortcuts app. Once you find it, make sure to disable the toggle right to it and finally click on Done. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.